Understanding Hallway Whispers, a guide to everyday English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and commonly used phrase in the English language: hallway whispers. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers often use metaphorical language in everyday conversations. Hallway whispers refers to secretive or private conversations that happen in public places, especially in corridors or hallways. These are typically discussions meant to be heard only by those directly involved, often containing gossip, rumors, or confidential information. Understanding the context helps in grasping the meaning. The phrase originates from the idea that hallways, being common passageways, are not private. Yet, people often use them for quick, supposedly private chats. This juxtaposition of a public space for private conversation gives rise to the term, hallway whispers. Let's see some examples. 1. I overheard some hallway whispers about the upcoming company merger. 2. They were engaged in hallway whispers, probably hiding something important. Notice how the phrase is used to imply secrecy or confidentiality in a public setting. English is rich with such expressions. Similar phrases include behind closed doors, implying private or secret discussions; water cooler talk, casual gossip or chatter in a workplace. These phrases, like hallway whispers, add color and depth to the language. Understanding phrases like hallway whispers not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives insight into the cultural nuances of English. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Keep practicing, and you'll master these intriguing aspects of the English language in no time.